Hello, you're welcome to Regal Achievers Educational Limited, presenting Royal Tutors. I will be taking through a topic, calculation on perimeter of rectangle. We have a question here. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 6 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. Very simple. We have a rectangle, length 6 centimeters, breadth 4 centimeters. And we all know that opposite side in rectangle are equal, so that means this side is also 6 centimeters and this side is also 4 centimeters. So the formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. That is, the length in this case is 6 centimeters and the breadth is what? 4 centimeters. So if you add everything together, that will be 6 plus 4 is what? 10. That will be 10 centimeters. So 2 times 10 is what? 20 centimeters. That is the answer. I'll be giving you an exercise. Please drop your answer at the comment box. The question says, find the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 9 meters and a width of 6 meters. Thank you.